students, welcome to Simplifying Maths. We are going to look into a new chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. First, what are fibers? A slender and gently elongated natural or synthetic filament capable of being spun into yarns. These fibers are classified into two types, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. First, let us look into natural fibers. The fibers which are obtained from natural sources like plants and animals are called natural fibers. For example of animal fibers is wool, and for example of plant fibers is cotton. Next, synthetic fibers. The fibers that are prepared artificially in factories by using chemicals called petrochemicals are called synthetic fibers. They can be also called as artificial or man-made fibers. Before looking into the types of synthetic fibers, first let us look into what you mean by polymer. It is a substance which has molecular structure built completely from large number of similar units joined together like the beads in a necklace. Many small units combine to form a single unit called a polymer. The word polymer comes from two Greek words, poly meaning many and mer meaning part or unit. So a polymer is made of many repeating units. Let us see this polymerization. That is nothing but monomers together polymerize for making a polymer, that is repeating units. Let us see types of synthetic fibers. First one is rayon, a fiber which is obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber is called rayon or artificial fiber. Towards the end of 19th century, scientists were being successful in obtaining a fiber having properties similar to that of silk. So this is also resembles the silk. Next, nylon. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material. It is first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire as it is used in preparation of parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. Next, polyester. Polyester is made up of repeating units of chemical substances. Examples are the types of polyesters are terylene, PET, that is polyethylene terephathalate, and polycot and polywool. Let us see each of these examples. First, terylene. This terylene is also can be drawn into fine fibers. And PET, polyethylene terephathalate, which is used in making bottles, and this is also used in making films, vessels, and etc. Polycot. Polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton, which is a blended fiber, and even polywool is a blended fiber, which is the mixture of polyester and wool. Acrylics. These fibers are the resemblance of the natural wool. They are made from a polymer called polyacrylo nitrile. Next, advantages of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are good substitute of natural fibers. They can be produced in large quantities. They are less expensive. There are disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Those are, we should not waste synthetic fibers while working in kitchen or in laboratory, as if the clothes catch fire, it can be disastrous as the fabric melt on heating and sticks to their body. Next, characteristics of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers possess very unique characteristics which make them popular dress materials. They dry up quickly, they are durable, less expensive, readily available, and easy to maintain. Next, plastics. These plastics they are used in our daily needs. What are these plastics? These plastics are Typical polymers of high molecular mass and low melting points, which are used to make variety of articles. Plastics have both linear and cross-linking arrangements. Based on these linear and cross-linking arrangements, plastics are of two types. First one is thermoplastics. Plastics which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. These thermoplastics have linear linking arrangements. Examples are polyethylene and PVC. Here you can see PVC pipes and polythene bags. Next, thermosetting plastics. Plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating. These plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. These have cross-linking arrangements. Examples are bakelite and melamine. Here the first example is bakelite, that is used in making switchboards as it is the poor conductor of electricity, and melamine which is used in making of cookware, and it is also used in coating of fireman's uniform as it is heat resistant. Next, characteristics of plastics. Plastics are light in weight and less expensive. They are very strong and durable. Plastics are non-reactive as they do not get corroded when came into contact with other materials or chemicals. Plastics are poor conductors of electricity. As they are poor conductors of electricity, so they are used in the preparation of electrical wires. Next, biodegradable materials. A material which can decompose through natural processes is called biodegradable materials. Examples: kitchen waste and paper and etc. Next, non-biodegradable materials. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes is termed as non-biodegradable materials. For example, aluminium tin, plastics and etc. Next, pollutions caused by plastics. These plastics are non-biodegradable materials, so they are not decomposed in nature for several years, hence they cause natural or environmental pollution. Then plastics are mixed with other garbage which is burnt. Poisonous gases are given out in the form of smoke, causing air pollution. As a citizen, we have to remember the 5R principle, which is used to reduce the effect of plastics on our environment. That is reduce, reuse, recycle and recover, refuse. We have to remember this 5R principle to save our environment. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.